What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Handy Danny, and what I'm doing today is I have a homemade makeshift shelf that I'm putting in with piping, okay? And I have this little it's called a floor flange, I do believe. I can't remember what it's called, but this is what I'm using to hang my it's made by Southland, and I don't know the name of it, but it looks kind of like this right here, okay? I made sure that this is 3/4 right here, and then to fit on here, and it's been threaded. Now over at the Home Depot, they will cut this piping for you for whatever size that you want it for. So it's always good to, you know, get your measurement. I took a rough measurement, and my rough measurement was really bad, so I had to go back to the Home Depot, get the pipe cut again. So we're back with the appropriate size. And what I did was I put both little floor flanges, or whatever they're called, there on the walls, and as you'll see that inside here, and as you can see right here, that I screwed them up on the walls where I wanted them, okay? And I put them where I wanted them, and I measured inside the hole to get my full measurement, okay? So now what I want to do is I want to create some type of support. So I'm gonna go out the shed real fast. And if you ever want these little hangers, and if you're in the Columbus, Ohio area, or the Tampa area, let me know, I can do it for you. I got this little T-bracket right here as well. And it doesn't really fit because I didn't want my threads to catch. So this is going to slide over the pole. It's going to have a little bit of looseness to it. I had some electrical tape in my hand and I dropped it out by my truck. I looked for it, couldn't find it, said forget it, okay? So, we're going to take this guy and we're going to stick this on here. Just let it slide all the way down. Doesn't matter what way you put it on there, but you see I got one end on there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take this side over here and I'm gonna stick it inside the hole. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to thread it. We're gonna do some type of spinning thread inside the hole. And you see my cuts are really good because it's a tight fit there. You want it to be a little bit snug to where, honestly, when you're screwing something in, it should really set up there without any screws holding it there. So when I dry fitted earlier, I seen that I was able to get 3 screws into my little floor flange there. So I'm gonna take those 3 screws, put them back in there, get the right screws here, and we're gonna screw them in. All right. All right. Put this one in. All right, so now that we have that going, what I'm going to do next is, and let's get a pole that we have holding the door right now. And this piece right here, I'm going to pop it up in here, and then I'm going to put my floor flange to the ground. So I'm gonna screw in one side. All right. This side right here is not going to thread in there. That support, and we're just going to kick that into place. And actually, I may cut that to make it fit a little bit better. But pretty much that's it right there. We got support in the middle. You can hang here, you can hang there. Very strong. can see here, with the support, I weigh about 220 pounds and I'm able to hang from that, do a pull-up if I was able to do a pull-up. But that's it, people. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.